Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook video on iPhone. So if you wish to download Facebook videos to your gallery, here's what we're going to do. So just choose any videos that you wish to download from Facebook. So let's find a good one, for example this one. Let's tap the three dots on the upper right and then tap on copy link. So go to any browser that is available on your phone after the link has been copied. Now let's look for Facebook video downloader. So there are free Facebook video downloader. So let's tap on the first one. And then all you have to do is just to paste here the link and then tap on download. So wait for it to start downloading. Now next is you will be headed to this page where you're going to choose a quality, so you can download it in a normal quality or HD quality. So let's tap on your preference and then wait for it to download, and then this will pop up on your end and tap download. And then once it's done, just skip all the ads and then check your downloads, your download file, and then you'll be able to see there all the videos that you have downloaded from Facebook. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.